and we are down at Reclamet at the paint shop, and we was going to obviously do, well, we are doing an intro here, but we are right on the airfield and it is taters. So we're going to pick up once that car comes back to the workshop and Chris has got the log burner going. Let's leave it here. Before I go on about how much of a cracking job they have done down Reclamet, mate, you done the cracking job on it.
It has come out nice, hasn't it?
What a beautiful repair, and you're never going to tell.
No.
You're never going to tell. So we've both just been down and picked it up, and they've painted the tailgate, they've repaired
the corners,
both corners on it, and they feel absolutely perfect.
Yeah.
And it has been blended into both quarter panels.
It looks stunning, doesn't it?
It does look absolutely perfect.
Yeah.
It just all matches. Everything's genuine, doesn't it? Chris, honestly, in the comments section, this car got so many comments. It's so popular. And not just the comment section. You know how we work with getting rid of a car. I've already received, no exaggeration, in excess of 30 emails asking how much is this car, when's it going to be ready,
surprised.
Can I buy it?
I'm not surprised. It is a lovely car.
Popular.
Yeah.
Everyone seems to want to own it, and hopefully at the end of this video, one of you is going to own it.
Yeah.
So mate, TPS order done.
TPS parts arrived the other day. That's those little bits to go on here that they fit into.
Yeah.
And the other bit of plastic that goes on there. And I think all the lights are in it. I think everything else, bumper's ready to go on, isn't it?
Yeah.
Spoiler's ready to go on. So I think, yeah, everything for this car. So it should be quite straightforward to get it back together, and then you can go and have a road test.
That's it, mate. That's what I fancy, having a go in it. Now, a couple of people mentioned you need to change that spoiler. Guys, there's never been a spoiler on this since the first video, since you stripped it down.
I stripped it down straight away, took the standard spoiler off, and we've got the proper enhanced spoiler to go on it. Yeah.
That's going to go on it, and also, of course, we're not going to forget to put the badge on the back of it. And we're definitely going to remove just the Golf badge because it all had to be painted. Anyway, I feel like I'm waffling on already, mate. Let's get this in. I'm excited about it.
Yeah.
Let's start getting this one put back together.
Have you shown round the front of this car much?
Yeah.
We haven't, have we?
Yeah, when we first got it, I did, Chris.
I love this.
Yeah, it looks so lovely in the dark when it all lights up, doesn't it?
Yeah. Proper nice bit of kit.
Yeah, and we need to get the number plates on it as well. Is that a pearl? It almost looks like a pearl in this sun, doesn't it?
I don't think it is, no. It's a straight, isn't it?
Right, mate.
Solid, yeah.
Let's get it in, eh?
All right, mate.
It is all quite self-explanatory, so I'll try not to go on too much, but straight into the workshop. Nice bit of sunshine there coming through the door in the background. And then we've got those new plastic pieces that we got from TPS for the bumper to clip into, and of course it goes under that back light. As soon as Chris has got that on there, he's fitting that new back light that we got second hand, the inner boot light, and then the lights the other side. He calls me in to jump and just double check that all the lights are working, and then once that's done, we concentrate on fitting that nice new rear spoiler. With all that back on there, let's take a look. It's the little things really, because I know it is only back lights, but me and Chris have never seen it like that.
No, pulls it all together as well, doesn't it?
It does pull it all together. Now we just fitted that high-end spoiler. Mate, that is lovely,
cracking,
that spoiler, yeah. It really, really finishes this car off.
Yeah.
But guys, the reason I'm going on about the spoiler and I've stood here, look at the line.
Looks nice, doesn't it?
Mate, it's absolutely perfect, isn't it? And this boot lid,
nice, isn't it?
sounds like a Golf.
So that's what you want, isn't it? Though?
Time to build up the inside of it.
Yeah.
Then we can move on to
We've checked the
putting
lights, haven't we? So
all working.
all working. After I plugged one in.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Chris fitted the back light, and then it's like, well, it's not working. It just needed sending home.
Yeah.
I was just going to say, and then we can put the face on this car, but it won't be the face. It'll be the bottom.
No, I want to get that because I'm reaching over. I don't really want to put, because that's perfect, that bumper.
Yeah.
I don't want to put any mark on it, and you always run the risk of dropping a tool or scratching it, leaning over it. So I want to do all that first, and then kind of last thing is clip that bumper on.
Yeah.
Which it does mainly clip on, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There's hardly any fixings in it. So
No, not a lot.
no, so, and that's it.
Right,
Good.
mate. Let's crack on and continue on getting this one back together. I don't suppose you can really notice it in the time lapse, but we do chat away, and we're actually chatting here about the fact that everything inside this boot lid, like all of that stuff, is our original stuff, and nothing's broken, so it's all being screwed to that replacement tailgate, all being fitted up, and luckily, I mean, it was the right colour originally, so we haven't had to have the inside done, and everything is bolting up, clipping up in exactly the same place, of course, because it come off the same car. Now we've got all of that done, onto the ramp, up in the air, and start the process of fitting the back up. Chris, how are you getting on?
I'm looking for my toffee wheel.
Are you getting excited about the test drive?
Yeah, I mean, not far away now, mate.
I've never driven one of these, and so many people rave about them.
Yeah.
And they are
not
all
the
over.
time of year to be gunning it up the road, though, is it?
No, it's not, no. It has got a good set of tyres on it, and it is four-wheel drive, so it's got all of that in its favour. Yeah. No, I won't be gunning it.
No.
I don't drive very fast, me.
No.
Right, mate, what's next?
Bumper. We're there. Inside the tailgate, so it needs cleaning yet, but that's all back in, fixed on, clipped in, screwed in. So, yeah, offer that bumper on.
It's amazing, really. Sorry to interrupt you. That's all original, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
So it really weren't, it was just dented in, that tailgate, wasn't it?
Oh yeah.
Everything's gone back together perfect.
Yeah, yeah. We're all plugged in, so we just got, that's...
parking sensors,
no,
bumper loom?
No, exhaust flap.
Ah, okay, yes.
And then there's another one that side.
Of course,
then there's
the valves.
And then the big one's the bumper loom, that one.
Right.
So we can get to that through there. So...
I've been and got you a cup of diesel, charge you up.
Yep.
Because that is a bit what Craig's coffee's like.
Bit strong, isn't it?
It is a bit strong, isn't it? Right, mate, let's get this bumper on and get this car finished off. So on with the back bumper, and that is the final part on the actual back of this car. And I think you'd agree, it looks absolutely amazing. Well, as soon as it arrived, Chris said, this is a lovely car. It's gonna come out really nice. There's no boot floor damage. And literally, he's replaced that back panel, the boot lid, and everything is clipping on exactly where it needs to. Very nicely, with no pressure or under no tension whatsoever. What you will notice is, actually, this is the end of the evening, the end of the day. And all we need to do in the morning is actually put the exhaust pipe on it and the rear number plate, but we're going to skip forward because Chris didn't film that and it's done. Well, Chris.
We are nearly there, mate.
What an absolute stunner.
It is a beautiful car.
There is 3 jobs left to do on this car.
Yeah.
2 little tiny winglets that go here, one each side, and the R badge that goes on the boot.
Yep.
But we've deliberately not done them because this car is finished. But we need to wash it.
That's right.
And if we stuck them on now,
there's a risk.
There's a risk that we're going to lose them. So the last job to do is run this one over to A2, get that alignment double checked, mate.
Make sure everything's good.
And I know myself, and I know you are as well, pretty excited about the next chapter of this video.
Yep.
After I get back from A2 tyres, you guys are going to see exactly where we're going with this car. And I am pretty excited about it, like I say.
Looks nice with that exhaust on, Rob.
It looks beautiful, Chris. It looks absolutely perfect, and there's no way you'd ever know that that car had been smacked in the back.
No.
Completely repaired using completely genuine parts, and all new and second-hand and mint. So,
yeah,
let's get it over there, get that tracking checked, and most importantly of all, I'll get to take it out for a little run.
You do.
The fronts were very, very minimal out, you said, didn't you?
Yeah, only just slightly.
Just slightly. But of course, while it was here, we've got it done anyway, so that's absolutely bang on. Let's go and get it cleaned and then head back to the yard. What a car. Mate, you must be proud of that.
Proper car, innit? It looks nice, yeah.
Honestly, I went to McDonald's and got us that coffee, and the girl in there went, wow, that's lovely, that car. I went to the car wash, the guy said, that is lovely, that car. And at A2 Tyres, Luke drove it on the ramp and said, how much is it?
Really?
Yeah, it's just one of those, like the
Thing
Passat,
is,
you know?
I always try and do my best anyway, but when you've got such a nice car, it's just a pleasure to work on. It really is, it really is. When they're a bit, you know yourself, when they're a bit doggy, or they've been got at, or they've got a bit of history, you know, it's not the same. It's like working on a brand new car.
It is, isn't it?
It is really nice.
And it just looks incredible. Chris, you've just stuck on those, what would you call those?
I don't know.
No.
Trims.
They're
No, I
little
don't
trims,
actually
yeah.
know what their technical name is. I've stuck the badge
The
on.
R badge is back
Yeah,
on there.
yeah.
This car is just absolutely beautiful.
It is. It is.
No dust in there, all valeted out, virtual cockpit. It has just got, I just
Credit
can't
to the
stop going.
previous owner.
Yeah, absolutely.
They have looked after it well.
Well, I'm sure
Incredible.
this was his wife's car, and I'm sure he said she's in her 60s. So
Wow.
it's a nice one that hasn't had the pants thrashed off
No.
it. Shall I take you for a run up the road in it?
The only thing is, it's a bit mucky, the roads, isn't it?
And it is quite nice.
And it is
I'll
nice
tell you
and
what,
clean. I'm not.
if you grab that then, I'll start it
Yeah,
up.
yeah,
'Cause
do
I was,
that,
I was having
do
a
that.
little play with the buttons and you'll be able to hear it round here.
Because it's got those valves, hasn't it,
Yeah,
on
it
the...
has. So this car's literally got, it's got launch control. It's got, on these modes, I looked earlier, in that race, it's got, look, drift or special, and I hit that special,
Oh, yeah.
and then,
Yeah. Shall I go round the back?
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. That's good, isn't it?
it's, look how trick it looks.
I know.
It's just absolutely beautiful. And guys, I think quite a lot of you already know where we're going with this one because so many of you recommended it. This will be the 4th one we've ever done. They've all been a great success. We appreciate that it's not for everyone, but if you want the chance to own this car, it can be yours for just £4.99, which is, last time we did it for £9.99. With this
right.
car, we've decided £4.99. Give everybody a chance. Like I said, I appreciate it's not everyone's cup of tea and you might not want to enter, but if you can have this car for just £4.99, we're also going to do £1,000 cash with it to help with insurance and running costs. And to find out how to play, we're going to pass you over to Dean at Compete for Cars, who kindly has run the last 3 competitions for us and has agreed to do this one as a bit of a Christmas special. So Dean, over to you.
Thank you, Rob and Chris. Now, for your chance to win the 2024 Volkswagen Golf R, then all you need to do is head over to competeforcars.co.uk, and once you're there, click on the Golf R competition, select how many tickets you want to enter, and then answer the question below it, add it to your basket, and check out. It's as simple as that, and the live draw will be on my YouTube channel, which is Saving Salvage, and there will be a link to the live draw that we're going to put up in advance so you can be well aware of where the live draw is going to be. Good luck, everyone. Back to Rob and Chris.
Huge thank you to Dean at Compete for Cars. Thank you, Dean, for doing this once again for us. We really do appreciate it. So yeah, just £4.99. It's going to run for 7 days. So from today until next Sunday, where Dean will go live on his page and obviously pick a winner for the car. Yeah. There will be no extensions. There will be no excuses. Regardless of ticket sales, one of you will own this car at the end of 7 days.
Yeah.
Look, this car, the previous car that we had, the Maserati Levante GT, absolutely changed the guy's life. He turned up here, the cash and the car.
I think he said he never won anything in his life.
Never won anything.
One ticket.
And one ticket he bought and he won that car. He was absolutely over the moon.
It.
Yeah,
It's
we
brilliant.
do.
It's
It
brilliant.
is. It's amazing. Before that was the Range Rover SVR, the jet ski and the cash. He was over the moon with it.
Yeah.
And the one that always sticks in my mind is the BMW M4 competition.
That's right, yes.
Because he
Sold the car.
He sold the car and actually managed to decorate his house and shared the rest of the money out between his kids.
3 kids, I think.
Between his
all
3
had
kids.
A lump of money, yeah.
So absolutely life-changing. There is no obligation to buy a ticket whatsoever.
No.
What we will say is we really, really do appreciate it. And if you want to buy a ticket, you can. I think you said about the buy me a coffee.
We often get asked about the buy me a coffee, and it
around
is,
Christmas
yeah,
time.
Yeah, and it is somewhere in the description, I believe, isn't
Yeah.
it? But all I'd say, we really appreciate that, but we don't expect anyone. It's only in there because
not at
people
all.
ask for it.
Yeah.
But if you are thinking of it, don't worry with that. Buy yourself a ticket for $4.99
Have a chance.
and have half a chance of winning this stunning car and a bit of cash for Christmas.
Yeah,
and we'd be over the moon, wouldn't we?
Absolutely, definitely. And I'm going to say it, you may agree, you may disagree. I think that's probably one of the best cars we've ever had through the workshop.
It is.
It is absolutely beautiful, and the previous owners have really looked after it.
It is a credit to them, isn't it?
It's got full Volkswagen history. We got the V5 with 0 previous owners. It's got 2 keys with it. It's got everything you'd ever want.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think, there was something else, Chris, but I can't think what it was.
I mean, I think you've got the original sales invoice I've sent you.
I have.
With all the options.
£45,000.
From when they ordered that car.
It's got everything on it.
Yeah.
It is fully loaded. Honestly, I love that car, and it goes like stink.
Yeah.
I did give it a little run on the way back. So yeah, thank you everyone that bought a ticket. I appreciate, again, it is not for everyone. I really do appreciate. I've previously seen it mentioned. I don't want to buy a ticket for it, and there's no pressure from us. It's not about that. If you want a chance to buy it, it's entirely up to you.
I think we just decided, didn't we? It's such a nice car.
Yeah.
And you've had so much interest
God,
already.
have I, yeah.
That it's a good one to do, isn't it?
Yeah,
And,
definitely.
Yeah. That's
So
it.
head over to the links in the description. Head over if you want your chance to buy it. And once the winner is picked, of course, you can come here, meet me and Chris. We'll buy you a bit of lunch, or of course we can have the car delivered anywhere in the country as well. Yeah. Thank you all for the support. Thanks for watching. We really do appreciate it. And we'll look forward, of course, to seeing you on Wednesday in the next one. No joke.